What did he do yesterday? He went bowling. What did she do yesterday? She took a picture. What did she do yesterday? She saw a parade. What did he do yesterday? He had a picnic. What did he do yesterday? He got a haircut. What did she do yesterday? She bought clothes. Went bowling. Took a picture. Saw a parade. Had a picnic. Got a haircut. Bought clothes. When did he go bowling? He went bowling yesterday. When did he take a picture? He took a picture on Thursday. When did he see a parade? He saw a parade on Saturday afternoon. When did he have a picnic? He had a picnic last Monday. When did she get a haircut? She got a haircut last week. When did she buy clothes? She bought clothes last month.